Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to model a iPhone X. So basically it looks very simple if you get closer look at the shape of it. It's just a box basically, but well, it's not just a box. We can make it as a box, but to make a beautiful edges we have to work a little bit more. So I will start to do it, but first I'll just mention that if you want to get this file of the iPhone X ready modeled, you can go to my GrabCAD profile. Is just displayed right now, and just download. And also basically you can visit my Facebook fan page and like my profile, and you're gonna get some information about what I'm doing and what's news about technologies in modeling, what's the tutorials I recommend, or anything very interesting and helpful with the learning. Let's make background image for that. Let's just first use the front view and put some image there. So I'll put some picture frame. I'll grab some iPhone 6 from the side view and just extend my window somewhere over there. And as you can see, well, this picture is not great, but you can see the display is just a bit big, because only glass of it is not just the same curvature as it is the the rest of the frame. Actually, I wanted to have a front view. I can actually make again. Yeah, this one is all right. So. Yeah, that's what I needed, and now it's great to just get just a square and try to fix the square into the shape. We're not able to be 100% precise of the shape, but we'll try to be as close as possible as usual. I'll try to find the best radius for that. I don't know if you are conscious, but the iPhone, all products of Apple, they are actually designed by the golden ratio. Even logo of Apple is done by golden ratio. So this is very simple idea, but it's beautiful, as you can probably see. It's about 10. Again, 10. More, 11 probably. Yeah, 11 will do the job. So I'm just making fillets right now. And so basically this is going to be a frame, and from right view I might need to have this this picture, but first I need to check if there is a right scale. I need to just be, yeah, so it's okay. I'm going to rotate that picture 90 degrees and then place myself in here. So first I need to catch my profile and try to be in the middle with, yeah, so the profile is there, yeah, like that. Okay, so I'll just put this a little bit aside and also put that a little bit aside. Okay, so I'll try to make this curve from top view and try to make the profile of it, and we'll see if it works. So maybe also I can do it in here. So Let's try to fire this arch. So I think the arch of the shape is like that, and we're going to place it. It's here, so I need to move there. Okay, it's here. So all I need to do is just to place on my profile here, you see. And also I need to find that shape. So as you can see now, I'm not exactly, or maybe I am. This is the screen. This is the display. So this is the frame size. So I need to just get this and try to maybe offset that to 204, 205. Yeah, it's 205. Yeah, pretty close. And and I try to put this shape just close to that shape. Okay, and then I need to delete that and make it again to double check. I'm not in the center, so I need to just move my design to the center. Okay, and now I'll try to make the arch again. Yeah, it's now much better. And also I need to I'll try to maybe, let's check it up, let's double check. I need to do some more adjustment. I'm not sure if this is the right oh, that's better. Okay, I'm going to make that because I think that the glass is a little bit different shape, so you'll see what I mean in a second. So basically I can make a shape right now. Alright, so let's just try to make sweep to rails. Sweep to rails, yeah. Okay. Shaded. Yeah, the frame is ready. Yeah, I can actually cap it because this is going to be only for visualization purposes. It's done, and also I'm going to make a. I think it's going to be a little bit thinner like so. And now I'm going to make that tricky glass, which is I can actually keep that, maybe not. I'll try to make this glass here because it's actually also offset of this of that curve. I'm going to offset that again. It's going to be 0.1, 0.5, 1 millimeter. It's 1 millimeter, maybe a little bit less, 8. Okay, and then I'm going to place that a little bit outside, line up. Okay. Alright, and then I think maybe a less, maybe like that, and then I need to find some attraction, some interesting curve goes from here. So I think I need to go with the control point curve, like that, and then maybe okay. It's very tiny difference, but I need to just align my points across the one plane. Yeah. let me check if this is what yeah, let's check it out. We can actually go to do so sweep one rail and then check if this is right way. Okay, and then cap. Yeah, the small display, it's actually here, and I'm going to mirror that on the other side. It's maybe not that, maybe it's a little bit inside of iPhone. It's not going that deep, that much of, yeah, it's something like this. So you need to find this edge, this is visible edge, and it's a really small detail you cannot spot, but it really makes a difference in rendering. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, it's quite alright. Now we need to make buttons. Buttons are, as you can see here, they're also, we can try to make the rounded rectangle. Let's try. Like that, and then let's place it in the middle of my design. Okay, and all I need to do right now is just make a small offset. Well, first yeah, I'm going to make a 0.1, and I need to do it the same thing, 0.05, like that. And now I'm going to make this as some tool to cut. Okay, so it's going to be from that side, so I'm going to grab that curve and then make extrusion, and I'm going to boolean difference, yeah, and basically all I need to do right now is to get the shape of this and then duplicate on that, because it's not just a flat shape, it's more in a shape of iPhone, I think. So let's just duplicate that. So let's just make an extract surface by typing extract, and then something went wrong. So I'll just prefer to extract analysis mesh, extract surface. Yeah, it's here, and then I'm going to untrim. Yeah, and then I'm going to use that curve here to trim everything for what's outside, but all I need to do is only cut the right objects. So this is the one I need to cut. Yeah, okay. And now I need to move this button a little bit in like that, and then just basically extrude that curve into direction of my button socket. No, yes, like that. Okay, and then go back with my what happened. Now why is this? So I lost my shape somewhere, so basically all I need to do is just to go back to that place, to that time when I had the this design, and copy it and go back forwards in the future, yeah, and then paste it. It's so simple. And now I've got a shape, as you can see. Let's check out if everything is okay. Yeah, everything is fine. I need to join that button and then hide it, and then join this surface with that shape. Yeah, so I've got that right button ready, and now I need to go from the other side. So there's nothing on this side, so I can actually delete that. I can delete this too. Well, I don't need to, because I might need to find where are the buttons. So there are 3 buttons here. One is there, so I can just make like a path for this. It's here, and those are here. Another one is here, and there are 2 of them, so I can get them here. And then I go from right view. Basically this is going to be the same shape, I guess. So I can basically get that this is surface. Okay, it has been already splitted here too, but doesn't matter. I can, oh no, it's not. Okay, I can get this shape and copy that on the other side and try to make as I did with this shape. Yeah, like that. Okay, so now I need to just this is a bit complicated because everything is go cross each other, crossing and all this stuff. I cannot see, this disturbing me, but anyway, I'll be alright. So let's just explode that, and then we'll just copy this by using mirror, like that. And I'll take this and put up the point I measured already. Yeah, like that. And I can cut that stuff off. Okay, and then I will join it together and then copy back here, and then put this stuff here. Yeah, and then this is small button here, but the socket is the same, so I'll copy the and then move here. Well, let's be precise. So shift, let's make shift, and then we need to do the same thing, explode, and copy, move it to the right place, which is place I've measured before. Shift tab to block, and I'm going to that point. Yeah, and trim that. Okay, I think I've got the right places. So now I can actually make and try to show you a different way of making that stuff. Don't need this one anymore. Okay, just join. I don't need that one. So I can actually just try to make offset of this like that, like this, like that. And then there is a different button. So I'll try to create a button which is very similar to the one I've already created, like that. And then we need to, I'm not sure if this is the right one, but anyway, if I can find the right buttons and see how they look, basically I will just make it by using mirror, like that. and just copy this and just trim in and then join it. So I'm going to have all I need now for create my buttons. Okay, so now I need to project that. I will project this stuff on my iPhone. It's hard to work on that small. I need to be parallel with my view. Okay, and I need to project on my shape. Now it's alright. Okay, so now I will make the trim that inside here. It's not working, so I need to be in a parallel view. I'm afraid I'll also cut it in here. Something what I don't need. I know it's okay. It's alright. So I'm going to grab that one and do the same thing. Let's check it out. If we did destroy that. Okay, so I need to be more precise. So I need to select that once here and then try to trim again. Okay, I think I've done it. To prove that, I just need to select this, and it's not working. Yeah, this one is alright, so I have to do this again. Here, and go for right view, trim. Let's check it out. No, something went wrong. This is something I really hate to do. It's modeling on a very thin objects. Yeah, let's check it out. If now it's done, it's probably, yeah, it looks like it is. Yeah, it's surface. Yeah, great. All right, so now there's only one more. Let's just trim from the right view. Okay, it's done. Okay, let's try to do this here. Should be alright. Yes. So now we just need to select that, and this is basically slightly going out form, and at the end need to just extrude that to be buttons, and this need to be extruded towards to the center of iPhone. Yeah, and we need to just make it all together. Remember, this is not this is just for visualization purposes, so we don't need to make we don't make it for the mass production or something like that. So in this case we only need to have that outside shape extruded inside the form, but it just a little bit, not both side direction. Yeah, it's gonna be not both side, it's gonna be just like that. And now I'm going to make that shape flat, so I'm going to cut that like that, and then I'm going to get this button extruded, and maybe I will, yeah, it's kind of alright. Okay, so basically now I need to cut, I guess the iPhone have a couple of holes in there, so I can go from the top view and make some cylinders and duplicate them in a pattern like that, and then just let's just make a number, and let's just make the cascade array. So I'll make make 5 in x direction, y direction 1, z direction 1, and now I'm going to just make it like so. Okay, where I'm here. Okay, so this is going to be from above, from below my iPhone, and now I'm going to just make a mirror. I'm not sure of the size of it, but it doesn't matter. If I would have one, I've got an iPhone 7, so it's pretty the same. You have to take a caliper to measure it. I don't have one at the moment on me. No, come on. So I'm doing Boolean right now, Boolean difference. Yeah, so this is basically it. So now I need to just render. Usually I'm not rendering in Rhino. I'm doing it in Fusion 360, or well, in other software which allows me to render. Okay, so good luck to you with modeling and rendering. Take care.